Okay.
Okay.
These are our girls. Okay. We've got Chi, Pháo, Orange, and Lamoon.
Yeah, we have all of them in the morning.
Okay, so Chi and Lamoon are two of my favorite girls from all of this show.
Yes.
Of this one. And this is Morse code, okay?
We think the performance always empower girls and make us feel like in the 90s again. So yeah, we like it.
Go.
What's happening?
She's so crazy.
I love how they have fun together.
Oh, we don't know both.
Đau đớn vô cùng. Bữa nay là mặc đồ che rồi chứ thực ra
Must be
đang bầm
easy for them living together. They live together in the show.
I don't know, they are like sisters,
Yeah.
performing, having so much fun.
So much fun.
Just imagine them being a group of girls.
Wow, that could be very, very aesthetic. Yeah, right.
Lamoon.
I love the vibes, the good vibes.
They are so sisters, good.
Very good. Wow. Yes, they live together.
Oh, they live together.
It's like a big brother of divas.
Oh,
Yeah.
here's Powers.
Yeah. Yeah.
You got Lamoon,
And the milk
you got Chi,
got cheer.
you got Orange, you got the other, I don't remember her name.
Name. Oh, I love that. You should get. I love that rap. You should game.
Oh, we're in the nature.
Oh my gosh, I hope they have.
Oh, Tom Raider.
Are you ready?
Girls.
We can.
Who ha hit you? Now,
To my girls. Ladies and gentlemen, you're coming to the nation of girl power, where we love, respect,
Lamoon.
together. Sunshine.
Oh,
What a voice.
okay, seguro.
I guess I'll tell the story. Yeah.
We are the most come. Woo. Chi, 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 chi. Oh, yeah, to be your wife. Need to do.
Good. Is all
I'm
good.
so sick and tired
Yeah, she
of
is.
this
Good. Is it
stuff.
No, it's enough. To the top.
Oh,
Wow. When I'm ready for this. Yeah. Listen to that. Listen to that. Yes, rap too.
we ride die. We ride die.
Yes, so that's my girl. She killed it.
Can anyone listen? Can anyone hear her?
I'm sure, girl, someone is out there listening to you. In the night, in the morning, in the evening. Listen to yours. Listen to your heart. Communicate with God, with love. Bible. This is opera.
She's amazing.
She's amazing. She's showgirl. She's a
Wow.
showgirl. She's born for this. Hey, 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 hey.
Mascot, 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 mascot. Hai chị xem rồi, ôi mới trở về nào. Hai chị xem rồi, mới trở về chào. Hai chị xem rồi, đủ cho sáng đàng hoàng.
Rock girl! Wow! This was a monster bid. Muchos queso, beso. Merci! Te revoir.
Great,
That was
great.
killed it.
I love these
Wow.
girls, all of them.
One of them was Dolce Vita. I love this. This is empowering women.
I'm gonna miss this show so much.
I'm gonna miss the show.
So much because we got to know like great singers, great artists, great
That's true. No lie.
performances, great
Great human beings.
actresses, great human beings.
They were influenced us in fashion, in makeup, and in face.
Yes.
And by the grace of God, they're gonna influence us in their hearts because I think they have a very beautiful heart too.
These are Vietnamese divas,
Come
and
on,
I'm
girls.
loving them. I hope this is just the beginning
We're friends.
of our road together.
Yeah.
Like, thank you to everyone who kept suggesting everything we should do,
I love that.
and all the love, because you can see it's sincere. We really get
Yes.
close to
Yes.
them. We really
Real, it's
love
real.
what they do. We love them as human beings,
Yeah.
and this is great.
This is High School Musical from home. You know, YouTube. Good job.
So all these girls are amazing.
Yeah.
We didn't get to know all of them in particular because we were really obsessed with
Yes.
Chi.
We need an interview with them.
Yeah, and after Chi, I really love Lamoon.
Yes.
Chi and Lamoon, and all the other girls are amazing.
Amazing.
You don't have to doubt about
Yes.
that. But I mean, we can keep reacting to other stuff. This is not a goodbye. This is a see you soon.
See you soon.